Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
I gotta connect my DSP to my phone here.
Bluetooth?
Yeah, for the stop wall, yes.
You're good. So your name and what's in here, man?
Name's Cody Smith and 218s.
Okay.
ZVXs.
Nice. Is this a fourth or a sixth?
It's a fourth. It's the same fourth order that was in mine.
So it was a slide in?
Yeah.
Okay. So it fit right in. Nice.
The stunt wall is actually backed up to the back, which actually gives it. I think we did 3 layers between the 2 walls.
Yeah. Does that actually help seal off your mid bass a little bit? Then? Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is what about your electrical battery alternator power and all?
I'm running lithium. This is what?
45 amp hour.
Okay.
Talking about the alternator.
That's 320.
320?
Yeah. CES 320.
You ever have any sunroof issues yet?
That's it.
Not yet.
Thankfully.
Yeah. And the amplifier's wired to half ohm? Okay. Any SPL tests?
That's it.
Not yet? Okay.
Let me change my USBs real quick.
Yeah, you're good.
That one right there was for the stunt wall.
Yeah. I like it. And you can put your seats up.
Yes.
You have your back seat, so
Yes.
it's a musical seat there.
Pretty much.
Good job. I like it.
Yeah, I put this in, and less than like 2 weeks later, the actuator, this window quit. So this window's actually down like that far.
Yeah.
It was cold on the way here.
Oh, I'm sure.
Do something.
Yeah, you had to block it somehow. Yes, sir.
We got here an hour early, and it took us like 30-40 minutes just to get in.
Yep. It was a long line. Long line.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Especially at like we got there an hour early.
Yeah. We were here about 2 hours early. All right, you ready? Yeah, man.
It's got a whole lot of songs lined up.
You're good. Nice. So your speakers, which amp is going to your speakers in the back?
This one's going to the subs.
Yep.
And then once there's an amp down here, and then an amp on
underneath
that side.
the seat? Okay.
Yeah, underneath this right here.
Okay, got it.
And that amp is going to the stunt wall. One of these is going to the stunt wall. And then the other one is for the front door
Yeah.
speakers
Yes, sir.
and the back door speakers.
Okay.
There's 2 amps in both sides, and then
All right.
one 6.5 in both back doors. Everything's scarred, pretty much.
Yes, sir. All right.
Let's see if it's loaded up. No. Takes forever for the daggone flash drive to load up.
Yeah, radio's a little slow.
It happens. I use Bluetooth personally. Just on
Well,
the
I've tried to get the Bluetooth to work, and this one I can't get the thing to figure it out. A little bit too smart for me, I guess.
Sit back and relax, relax. I'm about to get rustified at a hotel, diamond in the bottom, rose gold.
Yeah, I know what this is. You don't like that song? I don't like it.
You have low rise on that frequency.
For some reason, it don't like that song.
There's a certain note it hit, it gets really loud, and then the impedance of the amp will protect if it's at like 0.7 or 8.
Yeah.
Making beats for the streets and ladies screaming in the seats. It's DJ Rusticles. Yeah. My name wasn't, ain't no way you could ignore it. I did not come this far so they could ignore me. I am not the one that said I'll do it in the morning. is green lights, green lights. All I see is green lights, green lights. Yeah, all I spit is real lights, real lights. I bet you don't know that's right. Oh, let no one distract. I don't need directions from nobody in the backseat. I don't need these people in my corner trying to gas me. I'd rather have people in my corner trying to chat. Yeah, you gotta start an epidemic of
Wow. It's a musical bass response and it's punchy too. I like it, man. Yeah. Thanks for showing me, man. Nice to meet you. Good to see you again, man.
Are y'all ready, dude?